Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can do TikTok face morphing effect. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my TikTok application and I'm going to go to the search menu and then search for the morphing face effect. You can search for it and there will be some effect you can use, and I'm just going to use this one guys. We can tap on the effect and then tap on use this effect. Okay, and we need to follow the instruction. We have to upload a photo, but wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, and I'm just going to use this photo to create the morphing face, and then we're going to tap on our photo like this. Okay, and this is the result, and you can try another photo if you want, like this. Okay, tap on it. Okay, and this is the result. That's so funny, right? Alright guys, and that's all the way to create a morphing effect on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.